It's a real thrill to get a new bathroom remodeled just the way you want it. You could go from a tub to a shower, or shower to a tub, or any which way. Reglaze the tub or add handicap features to your bathroom. Welcome to Klein Home Solutions, where for over 30 years in Erie, we have given customers the best value and quality craftsmanship for their hard-earned dollar. But you don't have to believe me. Here's what customers of Klein Home Solutions have to say.
I picked Klein's because they've been in the area for a long time, over 30 years.
Got our estimate, it was slightly below what I expected, which is great.
We called Klein from prior experience, and they gave us an estimate, and it was much lower than what I anticipated it to be.
As a landlord and as a home rehabber, we have used Klein Basement and Bath literally dozens of times over the years.
I went from one day having a bathtub, an old bathtub, to a walk-in shower, state of the art.
I trusted Klein Bath to do a great job with my historic home that I take great pride in.
We love it. That bathroom is our favorite room in the house.
Thanks for stopping by Klein Home Solutions. Give us a call or email us for a free estimate on making your home just the way you want it.
Klein Home Solutions. It's time to call Klein.